wala akong benta. I've been running businesses for a long time already, and despite this, meron pa ring days na, sis, wala akong benta. Katulad ngayon, isang linggo na akong walang sales. Anong gagawin ko? Kung mas bata-bata pa ako, going through this would make me quit kasi ganun talaga ako dati. But now I'm okay, chill lang, hindi ako nagpa-panic. Kasi pag dumating naman yung benta, tiba-tiba. Here's that one lesson that helped me go through yung mga ganitong araw na wala akong benta. Looking at my per day results will just stress me out and will not give me more sales. Imagine mo, nagtanim ka ng buto, tapos kada oras, dinidig up mo siya para i-check kung tumubo na siya. Hindi talaga siya tutubo, diba? Mamamatay pa yun. Hindi mo matutulungan yung sarili mo kakapanik. Just leave your seed alone and keep on planting more seeds every single day. May benta ka man o wala, plant your seeds. Diba ang bamboo nga, 5 taon siya na walang mangyayari sa kanya, walang tutubo. Pero after 5 years, once it reaches its peak, 1 meter ang growth niya every single day until lumaki siya into what we know as the bamboo now. Kaya relax lang. Kung wala kang benta, keep on planting those seeds. Gusto mo na lang din ba maging patatas? You know, someone na alam yung values niya, can define success her way, and lives intentionally? Yan ang patatas. Tutulungan ka namin maging patatas with our books, our podcasts, our events, and you can get all of these things for free. Join the Patatas fam. Link is in bio.